Hi everyone, today I wanted to share some tips on how to debug some ORE examples in Visual Studio when you're opening a folder as the source of your code. And by that I mean when you're doing the following. Open a local folder, select your engine folder, and you open it this way. And I'm showing you this because I struggled to succeed by myself doing that, and I had to ask somebody to show me. So you'll see it's very quick and easy. First, make sure that you have built the debug version, and then here as the target, you want to choose ori.x app debug.ori.x. Then simply click on debug and launch setting for ORE. And you see that here ORE is the target, and if you launch for now, it's going to start running, but obviously it's going to tell you that you haven't run anything in particular. Here we go. You see, it's pretty much the equivalent of running a CMD command and saying just ORE. You don't have anything configured to run. The next thing you want to do is find the example that you want to run. So you go to your engine folder, look for example, and we're going to use one of the ORE example shown in some of the videos with the equity option. And if you look at here, you want to run the ori.xml file, but you want to run it from his parent folder. So you copy the path from here, go back to this file, and then quote current year, should auto-populate, paste the path to the example, add a comma, and then here you do quotes and arguments. So you're going to add the arguments here. Then you start quote, and you can see here we're going to add input ori.xml. Double backslash and ori.xml. You save the file and then you can run it. Now obviously you don't want to just run it, you want to debug it. So if you know where to look for, you can already position yourself, for example, in the this is where the pricing of the option arrives. So you can just put yourself, let's look at where the variance is calculated, and you can run it this way. See, here we go. It hits the breakpoint, and you can go next pawn and next line, and you can see the values of the variables. Now, obviously, sometimes you don't know which functions or class it's going to hit. So one thing you could do, and if you don't know what to do, is start with one of the first function call, which is ORE run, and this one is located in the app folder here, ori.cpp. And then when you run this, it should be one of the first hit, and then you can debug with F11 and try to see everything that is happening. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. We're going to try to do more of this type of tools and tips videos. Let us know in the comments or contact us by email. Thank you for watching.